Are you ready to check out some preschool books? All Better and Little Bear Needs Glasses are two of our reusable sticker books. They tell stories of animals. All Better is about animals that get hurt. Here are all their band-aids, and you find out what happens to each one. So, oh no, dog wasn't looking where he was going. Ouch! Clean it, kiss it, put a bandage on it. So you find the dog's bandage, and his has dog bones on it. So you put it on his owie. And you say all better, and that's repetitive throughout, and at the end you can put them back matching their colors. Little Bear is similar. It's just about Little Bear looking for glasses that fit him, and he gets to try on all of his friends' glasses and see if they work for him. And in the end, he finds the ones that do work for him, which are not any of his friends' glasses. They're his own. The great thing about these is that they're reusable stickers. If they stop working, you can run them under cold water. Billy's Adventure series is wonderful for preschool age kids. It's about Billy and Jack, two kiddos who are in preschool who go on an adventure. This one, they're climbing up into the jungle. There becomes a problem. As you can see, Billy is caught by a snake. In this one, you see all the different sounds. They have to solve the problem. Billy always has a super duper idea, and they solve the problem, and they make it back in time for a fruit snack back to preschool. There are 6. We love those. Muddle and Match are also fun. These, there's a bunch in this series as well. What you can do is you can flip the different, the top, the middle, and the bottom to make silly characters, or you can make them matched up. And what you end up doing is you get something that has alliteration. So this was the Marvin the Mighty Monkey moves towards the mark on the map to meet the mysterious magical meerkat. So that's the sound on that one. But those are really fun. We also have lots of fairy tales. These are our Peek Inside a Fairy Tale series. It has cutouts. They're beautiful. They tell the story in a familiar way, but with a little bit more simple text so younger kids can understand it better. And let's see, there's just another page that's beautiful. And another option, if you don't like the Peek Inside version, there's also some that pop up. We have a pop-up fairy tale series as well for fairy tale lovers. We have some early learning books for preschoolers. This is the Lift the Flap series. This is the ABCs. There's also counting. So there's numbers, colors, shapes. There's a bunch of different ones. This kind of progresses through. On every page you're lifting something. So here's on the farm, what letter does the cat start with? It starts with C. So this one's good for letter recognition, and it transfers into sounds. There's just some pages from that, but every page you're lifting flaps and finding out answers and matching things and answering questions. The other ones are similar. You Choose is one of my absolute favorite preschool age books. Just Imagine is its counterpart, and I like it because it gets you to have a great conversation and use your imagination. If you could go anywhere, where could you go? Look at all those places you can choose from. You can make up something different every time. Who would you like for your family and friends? You are creating your own adventure with this. Lots of pages to go through. What would you? Why not get yourself a pet or 2 or 3 more? So this is great, and Just Imagine is similar. Big Book of Little Stories is another preschool option. We love this for bedtime. It has lots of familiar stories. There's the table of contents, but it has them pared down at a level that preschoolers can understand with really cute illustrations. Here's Red Riding Hood. In the woods with the wolf. This one is There Was a Crooked Man. So great picture book, good for bedtime with your little bookmark. And then we also have some puzzle books. This is the very first book of Things to Spot, is a little bit lower level. So it asks things like, who's wearing red boots? And you have to look at the whole picture and find who's wearing red boots. Or find a frog with spots. So this is good for beginning search and find, and some of that receptive language understanding. And then the picture puzzles are a little bit harder. The pages are much busier, lots more colorful. And then the language that they use is a little bit harder as well. So what tree frog has climbed the highest? So you're going to find that these are great for in the car, at restaurants, good conversation, time killers. We just love these as well.